Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're a LinkedIn user, I think something that you might want to switch off for privacy reasons. I made a video about this several months ago, but now making another one because it's going to get worse. Microsoft and the use of AI are going to increase the scan of profiles in LinkedIn. And the idea behind it is to try to serve the best ads possible with scanning your profile. And if you're in the US, it's even more problematic because in the US, Microsoft says that they will actually be also looking at the data of your LinkedIn account. So to prevent this, you go to your LinkedIn account, you click your avatar and go into the privacy and security options. There, you will have data privacy on the left side here that you're going to click. And there's an option that says data for generative AI improvements. You're going to click that. If it says it's on, you're going to click that to turn it off. As you see, mine has been off forever. Unfortunately, Microsoft at the beginning did not really talk much about it, that they would use AI and scan the profiles. But now that we know, it's very important to just turn this off. And they're supposed to be sending emails to LinkedIn users telling them that they're going to increase the AI use through LinkedIn accounts. But just do it. Don't wait for any emails. Don't wait for nothing. Just go and make sure that data for generative AI improvement is turned off, because you don't want to have AI scanning your profiles, and especially if your LinkedIn profile is pretty extensive with personal information. So word of caution. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.